In this cake tutorial, I'm revealing my own version of a cookie butter cake. This cake was a special request by Namaste33. It's Lorelei. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time, welcome to Wedding Cakes for You Cake Tutorials. If you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and memories, subscribe and ring the bell. This delicious cookie butter cake is made by processing any type of crisp cookie. These happen to be speculoos cookies, which are spiced with cinnamon. I added a 1/4 teaspoon each of ginger, nutmeg, and cloves to really spice it up. 1/4 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1/8 cup of evaporated milk, 1/2 stick of unsalted butter. It's still a little chunky. If you want to make it a little smoother or thinner, add a touch more milk. That's better. This batch was made the day before. It looks a lot like peanut butter. This is Italian meringue buttercream, which I use for pretty much everything. If you look below, you'll see a link to my recipe, and I do have that underneath all my videos. For a crumb coat, you can add some of the cookie butter to warmed up and melted buttercream for a nice thin coat. This is strictly for tasting and also for demonstration for the video. So I used a piece of my frozen orange butter cake and I cut it into squares. So the orange cake is really, really nice with the spices. But you can literally use any cake that you want. The cookie butter is so sticky, but so delicious. This layer is made with Italian meringue buttercream with the cookie butter mixed in. For the final coat, I used plain vanilla Italian meringue buttercream. If you want to see a list of all the tools that I use in my business and my videos, click the link to my Amazon store below. I just happen to have extra caramel from last week's caramel drip recipe tutorial, which if you haven't seen, I've put a link at the end of the video for you. These are graham cracker crumbs, which should be added before you put the border on. However, I think I got a little ahead of myself. Super simple 1M star border. And the gold dust makes a really pretty accent on the speculoos cookies. However, I wouldn't eat this gold dust. It tastes like metal, so this is strictly just for decorative purposes. more caramel, and my official taste testers came to visit. Perfect timing. So if the kids like it, it's a keeper. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or right here on YouTube. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next week for another great video. Bye-bye.